Today, we are unboxing a very thoughtful product, the Simolio SM-621D plus wireless TV speaker. Inside the box, you'll find the speaker, the transmitter base, and all necessary accessories. Everything you need is included. Now let's take a closer look at the speaker itself. The material feels sturdy, yet lightweight, easy to carry around. Connecting it is super easy. First, plug the AC adapter into the port labeled DC9V on the back of the transmitter. Next, connect one end of the optical O or RCA audio cable to your TV's optical O or RCA audio output. Then plug the other end into the input port on the transmitter and turn on the transmitter. Finally, turn on the speaker. Rotate the large volume knob clockwise until you hear a short click and switch to the TV mode. In Bluetooth mode, connect wirelessly to any Bluetooth device. Fast and easy Bluetooth pairing with high-quality audio. Easily switch between 3 preset EQ modes to customize your listening experience. Plug in the included wired headphones at night and enjoy TV without disturbing your loved one's sleep. The Simolio SM621D Plus is ready to bring you clear TV sound,